bleaching, either using heat or any other method to remove the color, reduces the quality of red palm oil. By the way, this red palm oil has different grades of quality, which is known by those who eat it. For example, the red palm oil from the southeast, south-south, and southwest, they are different in grade of quality. Those are just details that those who know how to eat the red palm oil will recognize. And these differences in quality also attract some small differences in the cost or price in the market.